बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following cannot be used to create parallel style column in MS Word? Insert text box, table, insert table, format tabs, format columns. So the correct option is D. Which of the following is used to create newspaper style columns in MS Word? Format columns, table, insert table, format tab, insert text box. Correct option is A. Columns dialog box can be opened from press Alt plus O plus C. Format menu columns, submenu, double click on column space in ruler, all of the above. Correct option is D. In Microsoft Word, you can jump to the next column by press Alt plus down arrow, clicking with your mouse on the next column, both of the above, none of the above. Correct option is C. Which of the following command is not available in Tools menu in MS Word? Auto summarize, macro, autocorrect, auto text. Correct option is D. You wish to justify text over the height of paper. Which option you will choose in MS Word? From formatting toolbar, page setup from file menu, font from format menu, paragraph from format menu. Correct option is B. There can be many ways to insert page number in a document. Which of the following lets you insert page number in MS Word? Page number from insert menu, footnote from insert menu, page setup from file menu, both A and C. Correct option is A. Where you can find the Draw Table tool button in Microsoft Word? Formatting toolbar, Drawing toolbar, Standard toolbar, Tables and Formatting toolbar. Correct option is D. Which of these toolbars allows changing of fonts and their sizes in Microsoft Word? Standard, formatting, print preview, none of these. Correct option is B. In Microsoft Word, a template stores graphics, text, styles, macros, customized word command setting, auto text entries, all of the above. Correct option is D. In Microsoft Word, macros are small programs created in MS Word to automate repetitive tasks by using VBA. Small add-on programs that are installed afterwards if you need them. Programming language that you can use to customize MS Word. Large tools in Word such as mail merge. Correct option is A. In Microsoft Word, the shortcut SHIFT+DELETE is used to delete the selected item permanently without placing the item in the recycle bin, copy the selected text, rename the selected item, create a shortcut to the selected item. Correct option is A. Why headers and footer used in Microsoft Word document? To enhance the overall appearance of the document, to mark a starting of a page, to mark large document more readable, to allow page headers and footers to appear on document when it is printed. Correct option is D. What is the function of CTRL+R in Microsoft Word? Open the print dialog box, update the current web page, close the current window, none of these. So the correct option is D. Which bar is usually located below that title bar that provides categorized option in MS Word? Menu bar, status bar, toolbar, scroll bar. Correct option is A. Using find command in MS Word, we can search characters, formats, symbols, all of the above. Correct option is D. Selecting text means selecting a word, an entire sentence, a whole document, any of the above. The correct option is D. The minimum number of rows and columns in Microsoft Word document is 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 2. Correct option is A. What is gutter margin in MS Word? Margin that is added to the left margin when printing, margin that is added to the right margin when printing, margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing, margin that is added to the outside of the page when printing. So the correct option is C. If you need to change the typeface of a document, which menu you will choose in MS Word? Edit, View, Format, Tools. Correct option is C. How can you disable extended selection mode in MS Word? Press Del to disable, press F8 again to disable, press Escape to disable, press Enter to disable. So correct option is C. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है। इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।